This is wild. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feed Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, we are getting into an unboxing. Y'all already know the vibes when you see this white bag situation. It's gonna be a HatClub unboxing. But first, I wanted to say a quick thank you to all the people who support the videos. Subscribers are one thing, but the people who show up and watch every video, who comment under the videos, I see y'all, I appreciate y'all. It really means a lot, and none of these videos would be possible without y'all. So I just wanted to say that. Let's crack this thing open. Y'all get the first look as always. Oh, it's a box inside of a box. All right, wasn't expecting that. Okay. This is different. This is different. So I can still give y'all the first look. You just have to open it this way. Here it goes. And that's that cactus fruit imagery we saw yesterday, looking over the upcoming hat releases. I think that's the pin design. Not sure who made it, but it is dope. A cactus, plural, cacti, cactuses, or less commonly, cactus, is a member of the plant family Cacti, a family comprising about 127 genera with some 1,750 known species of the order of Carophyllaeos. We gonna roll with it. The word cactus derives through Latin from the ancient Greek word cactos, a name originally used by Theophrastus for a spiny plant whose identity is now uncertain. All right, bet. So we got a little bit of a history on cactuses, and there is a card on top, so let's go ahead and read that. Within this package, exclusive cactus fruit fitted hat, exclusive cactus fruit pins. Careful, live cactus inside. Yo. Okay. I'm not trying to get poked, so let's see. I see the pins. I think this is it. I think this is it. It's in a HatClub dust bag. Wow. I'm a plant mom. Again. The new addition to the family. This will go right next to the succulent. Do cactuses need water? I wonder. I kind of want to touch it. I know you're not supposed to, but... All right, it's not so dangerous. This is wild. All right, let me stop doing that before I actually do hurt myself. We're gonna put this to the side and see what else is in the box. All right, so just like they said, there is a pin in here. I didn't see this pin yesterday when I was looking at the details on the website. This is different. It looks like a, oh, it's a frog. It's a frog with a bunch of like flowers around it. And it kind of has like a trippy kind of vibe to it. Let me get it closer so I can see what I'm saying. See the frog, different flowers around it. That's dope. It's a hard enamel pin. And the frog is wearing a little hat, and the hat has a H on it for HatClub. That's cute. The cactus and the pin are cool, but this hat goes crazy. Let me go ahead and take this out of the box so I can show y'all. This is definitely one of the ones that I was paying very close attention to. It's the Mariners joint. I told y'all that front logo is one of my favorites. That's my favorite Mariners logo. You have that green on the inside, the purple outline, the white shadow. You get a bunch of different colors in there on that front logo. It looks great. Burnt orange on the crown, purple top bill, purple button on top to match. It's a tonal New Era flag. The 40th anniversary side patch with some more colors in there. More of that green. You got some white, purple, some more orange. Let it focus so y'all can really see the details. There it is. Flat baddie on the back, purple on this side, more of that like green tealish color on the opposite side, white in the middle. And it's a green UV. Y'all know I've been trying to get my greens and my grays up, so this is perfect. You got the loud colors that I like, green UV so that it's wearable. I could wear this with a lot of different things. Black guts. This is made in China. Made in China. Here's a look at the crown for those of y'all who have a preference between Bangladesh and China. This is a China crown. There's even some pink in this side patch that I'm noticing now. The anniversary is pink, and there are some pink touches inside that, like baseball compass kind of thing that's inside of the zero. There's some pink touches in there as well. White outline. This is the HatClub custom pin that's going to come with every order. So if you order one of these hats from the Cactus Fruits collection, you'll get one of these pins. It's like a guy holding on to a smiling cactus. I like the colors, pretty cool. Definitely want to show y'all this one steamed and curved, but before I do that, let's take one more look at it. That burnt orange crown just hits different. It's one of my favorite colors. With the purple and the green, it's definitely an unexpected color combination, but when it works, it works. Those lighter green accents on the front logo and the side patch, a little bit of pink in the side patch. This is a great looking hat. I don't know yet what sneakers I'm gonna be rocking with this one, but if y'all have any sneaker hat combo ideas for this joint right here, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Don't be stingy with your matchup ideas, because I'm looking forward to getting a fit off with this hat. All right, so I'm back. I have swapped out my pinky for the cactus fruit. Here's what it's looking like steamed and curved. This is how I would normally wear my hats. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section, but I think it's looking good. The green UV especially, I feel like it makes the hat super wearable. Don't sleep on these tomorrow, Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern on the HatClub website. This colorway and the pink bottom colorway is dropping. And as always, I do give y'all a top 3 or top 5 from different collections. So let's go ahead and get into that now. My top 3 hats from this burnt orange and purple top bill colorway with the green UV is gonna be one, this Mariners joint right here. This hat is crazy. Shout out to HatClub because I really do appreciate them sending this out. The second pick is gonna be the Pirates. Even though that's not a front logo that I normally collect myself, I think it's very dynamic and the color placement's really good. Next is going to be the California Angels. Again, very dynamic front logo and the color placement is really strong. Those 3, I think, are my top 3 from the burnt orange and purple colorway. Now we're gonna move on to the green colorway with the orange top bills and pink UVs, because I don't think that colorway should be slept on either. My top 3 is gonna be the Twins. It speaks for itself. That Twins is hard. Second pick is gonna be the Detroit Tigers. I really like the front logo side patch combination on that hat. And last but not least, of course, is the Astros. It's the hype hat added a bunch for sure, but it's a good looking hat, so it has a reason to sell out. Before you go, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. It really helps the channel grow, and I will check y'all out in the next one.